Hello, today is Thursday, which means it's day 4 of your ELA Skills practice. You picked your own fluency passage this week. So today is the day that you'll answer the questions on that and you will practice reading it fluently. Then you've got your spelling sort, and today is the day that you write your silly sentences. So you also have your Sit Skills book. I am on page 83, and I made a chart to match what it looks like in the book. And there are a couple horses at the top. There are a few horses up there. And this horse is saying for words that end in silent E, just add S. To add ed or ing, first drop the silent E. So remembering that silent E's on words like this word, bonk the vowel on the head as long as they can reach, and they can only reach over just one consonant. So yes, this one can reach, and they make the vowel say its name. So this would be the word stare because we have st. And then it's going bonk to make that say a, and then the E is silent. If there was no E on that, that would be the word star. That would be star because AR sounds like R. But we've got that E there, so it makes it stare. So when we add suffixes or word endings that change the meaning, when we add an S as a suffix to turn stare to stairs, we just add an S. Oh, and I forgot to tell you that this type of stare, this is a homophone. This means to look at something without blinking or looking away. So it's that type of stare. It's not the type of stair or stairs that you walk up. That would be spelled like that. That would have an AI that sounds like A. That would be here, and that would be stairs that you walk up. So this means to keep looking at something, stare. So when I turn stare to stairs, I just add an S. An S by itself doesn't really change anything except adding the S sound to it. But it can't all by itself make a vowel say its name. But ED can. ED can. So this is kind of funny because we say to you to turn stare to stared, we say you'd bonk that E out of the way to add ED. You might be thinking, well, I stare and I just added a D, which you do. But we think of it like we have stare, bonk the silent E out of the way, and we change it to ED. Now that would be stared because this ED that I'm going to underline can do the same job as just the E by itself. So this ED reaches over, bonks that A, makes it say its own name. So we still have stared, stared. I stared into the camera. So we are not doubling this consonant. If we did, the ED wouldn't be able to reach, and then the A would say a short vowel sound. But we want it to be able to reach, to bonk it. This time we really are going to get rid of the silent E. We're going to move it out of the way, and we're going to make the I and G do the job of the bossy E. So we have staring, staring. All right. Now we have weave. Whoops. There, I forgot to copy it. Okay. Weave, weave, weave. So on this one, remembering the rule, we just add the S. If I got rid of that E, there'd be nothing to make the A say its own name. It would say WAVs. And we don't even know what WAVs are. Actually, this isn't the kind of wave like a wave in the ocean. This is like the wave where you wave your hand. The wave in the ocean is a noun. It's a thing. But when we wave like this, it's a verb. It's an action that we're doing. So we're using this one as an action word. because of these suffixes we're adding. We're going to change weave to weaved and weave to weaving. All right, change weave to weaved. Kind of silly that I'm getting rid of the E just to put it back again, but I want to put it back as an ED together. And then change weave to weaving. There you go, weaving. All right, I'd like you to read this word, PH. Do you remember what PH sounds like together? Sounds just like an F. O. The O is saying its own name because of that silent E. So that is phone. 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 Again, we're not using this word like a noun, like I pick up the phone. We're using it like a verb, an action that you would do. I phone my mother. I phoned my mother. I will be phoning my mother. All right, so phone to phones. Now, what you think, how are we going to turn phone to phoned? I phoned my mother yesterday. I'm silly. We bog off that E and change it to and phoning. Phoning. I will be phoning my mother tomorrow. Okay, I want you to read this word. I want you to pause the video and try this on your own for these. So we have scare, scare. I want you to pause, try it on your own, and take a look. Okay, so this is scares. Whoops. I'm in the wrong spot. Scares. Changing that to scare. Changing that to scaring. Scaring. And again, I want you to try this one on your own. This is the look. Okay, so thinking about this, we just add an S to make it jokes. We have to get rid of the E to put an ED for joked. And to turn joke to joking, whoop, I'm going to underline it. We would have that. Joking. Joke. Jokes. Joked. Joking. Just remembering that an ED or an ING can do the same job as a bossy or a silent E all by itself.